This came out nung March 2026, no? This exact problem. So, column 650 mm in diameter is reinforced with 8 25 mm bars and 12 mm spiral space at 25 mm on centers. So, spiral column to guys. Alam natin guys when it comes to shear. Kasi yung mga tanong dito guys, what is the nominal shear strength provided by the shear reinforcement? Nominal shear strength provided by the concrete. Shear stress in the column if VU equals 800 kN. So alam natin shear analysis to, RCD shear, no? So for spiral columns guys, no, pag nag-a-analysis tayo ng shear, yung BW yan guys, that's R diameter. Tapos yung depth niyan guys, that's 0.80 times the diameter. Tapos guys, itong AV guys, no, yung shear area natin, 2 AS yan guys. 2 ang N natin. Bakit guys? Kahit saan pa yung shear force guys, kahit saan pa yan, pag mag-cut ka perpendicularly niyan, yung ma-expose na cross-section is dalawa. Dito and dito. Dalawa. Dalawa talaga yan guys. If meron kayong nakitang reference na isa, yung leg, mali yan guys. Dalawa talaga yan. So, number 52, what is the nominal shear strength provided by the shear reinforcement? So, VS equals AVFYTD over S. Alam natin to guys. Alam natin to na formula. Palagi to natin ginagamit. So, yung AV natin guys, sabi ko 2AS. So, that's 2 times pi over 4 times 12 squared. No. Yung FYT natin, that's 275. Ito yan guys, spirals. Tapos yung D natin, yung depth natin, ito yan, 0.80D. Kaya 0.80 times 650. No. Then yung spacing natin, that's 25 mm. Ito guys, space at 25 mm on centers. So yung makukuha natin VS guys is 1293.83 kilonewtons. And as you can see from the choices, wala. Wala. This is an erroneous problem na lumabas nung March. I think ito lang yung erroneous na lumabas sa PISAD sa time namin. No? So, troubleshoot tayo guys, no? One leg of stirrups. Wala tayong magawa. Kahit mali ito, pero wala kasi itong 2. So, let's try yung 1. No. So, as you can see, yung difference guys na wala lang yung 2 dito. So, yung AS natin, ay yung AB natin is ito na lang. Isang pi over 4 times 12 squared na spiral. No. So, yung makuha natin dyan guys is 646.92 kN. As you can see, andyan sa choices. Ganito yung nangyari sa exam namin guys. No. Pero, again guys, gusto ko malaman nyo na yung tamang concept talaga yan, yung tamang principle, yung number of legs ng spiral column is always 2 and equals 2. No? Okay. So, knowing that, let's continue, no? Let's calculate the nominal shear strength provided by the concrete. Okay? So, alam natin to guys, no? Memorize na natin to guys. Dapat memorize nyo na yan guys. No? So, substitute lang tayo. Yung lambda guys, 1.0 lang yan for normal concrete weight. Kaya di na natin sinali. Yung FC prime guys, 30 MPa. Then yung BW guys, sabi ko yung BW, that's the diameter. Kaya 650. Then yung depth natin, that's 0.8 times 650. No? If we calculate that, yung makuha natin is 314.72 kN. So, andali lang guys. No? Ito yung sagot. No? So, let's calculate for shear stress in the column. So, meron tayong VU guys. Shear stress lang yung gusto in the column. So, syempre, yung gagamitin natin is VU. No? And again guys, sabi ko diba kanina, pag shear, pag stress, by default, nominal yan. So, since VU yung given guys, no? VU yung given, thus design, kailangan natin siya i-divide by the reduction factor para makuha natin is nominal, no? So, knowing that guys, yung VU natin guys is 800 kN, kaya gawin natin times 10 raised to 3 para maging Newton. Yung reduction factor, that's 0.75. Yung BW, that's 650. Yung D is 0.8 and 650. So, yung makuha nyong sagot dyan is 3.16 MPa. So, ganyan lang guys. 3 points na kayo sa March 2026 na.